Diddy and Cassie's text messages were revealed during the trial. The ongoing trial involving Diddy has taken a significant turn when the public release of private text messages exchanged between him and his former longtime partner Cassie. These messages read aloud during court proceedings have provided an unprecedented glimpse into the dynamics of their relationship, which spanned from 2007 to 2018. The revelation of these texts occurred as Diddy's legal team sought to challenge the allegations against him, aiming to present Cassie as a willing participant in the activities described. However, Cassie's subsequent testimony offered a starkly different perspective, painting a picture of something different. While some exchanges were seemingly innocuous, many delved into some sordid details. For instance, in one message, Cassie admitted to a lot of stuff happening at an unspecified gathering. Diddy, for his part, sent texts to Cassie that included other details as well. The texts also revealed moments of things going wrong within their relationship. Cassie at one point accused Diddy of treating her like a side piece. Diddy responded to Cassie by telling her to reach out after she got her stuff together, hinting at a conditional acceptance or expectation of her behavior. Perhaps most unsettling were the discussions surrounding the freak-offs. Cassie expressed excitement about these upcoming events in certain messages, and chillingly even mentioned forgetting an iPad they used to record them. Another exchange saw Diddy instructing Cassie to have fun and impress me when she's preparing for a trip to Stag Shop to acquire supplies. These details, now public record, provide a stark insight into the nature of their private interactions. During her testimony, Cassie directly addressed these texts, providing crucial context that challenges the defense's narrative. Cassie stated under oath that her participation in these freak-offs was not an act of genuine desire, but rather a means to please Diddy and, crucially, to avoid anything going wrong. The toll of revisiting these exchanges were palpable in court, with Cassie reportedly requesting a break during her testimony due to the nature of the text being read aloud. The distinction between the written word and the underlying motivations behind it is a central point in the ongoing legal battle. The gravity of the situation has prompted a strong public statement from Cassie's husband, Alex Fine. Alex released a statement praising his wife's bravery and strength in navigating the trial's challenging revelations. He condemned Diddy and those who have supported him, asserting that despite what happened, Cassie's spirit and smile remained unbroken. His statement underscored his belief that Cassie had successfully broken free from a cycle that many others don't escape. The public display of support from her husband highlights the significant emotional weight of the trial on Cassie and her loved ones. It's hard to imagine the immense toll this process must be taking on Cassie. To sit in a courtroom years after the fact and have deeply personal text messages read aloud, and then to publicly relive those experiences under oath is an unimaginable burden. Her request for a break during her testimony due to the nature of the text speaks volumes about the strain she's enduring. Beyond the courtroom, simply knowing these private conversations are now public knowledge adds another layer of vulnerability. For anyone who has experienced anything similar, revisiting those memories, especially in such a public and scrutinized setting, can be incredibly tough. There's the pressure of delivering testimony, the intense focus of the public and the media, the personal anguish of confronting a past she's clearly worked hard to heal from. It truly highlights the strength and resilience required to come forward in such a high-profile case. Diddy is facing grave accusations. These charges carry severe penalties, with the possibility of a life sentence in prison if he is convicted. Diddy has maintained his innocence, entering a plea of not guilty to all charges. The legal proceedings are ongoing, and the public can expect more details to emerge as the trial continues. The release of the text messages, while providing a window into a highly private relationship, underscores the serious nature of the allegations against Diddy and the difficult testimony being presented in court.